Good morning everyone. So today we'll start new chapter of class 6 science, that is chapter number 5, separation of substance. Separation means क्या? अलग करना. किस चीज़ को? कोई भी substances. Substances means कोई भी objects, ठीक है, उसको सेपरेट करना. किससे करना? उसका मिक्सचर से करना. जैसे कि एग्जांपल्स आपको पिक्चर के थ्रू समझाते हैं. हियर इन फर्स्ट page of this chapter, in page number 35, it is given that here this is a person is separating tea leaves from the tea, isn't it? टी लीव्स को सेपरेट कर रहा है बाय यूजिंग ए स्टेनर. ये जो स्टेनर है, स्टेन से क्या कर रहा है? सेपरेट कर रहा है. एंड लिक्विड are been stored in the cup, isn't it? Tea is stored in cup, so tea will be taken by the person, and the tea leaves, which is unwanted substances, so it has to be separated out, and separation has been done by this stainer. एक जाली जैसे नेट जैसा एक सब्सटेंस है जो सीव जैसे हैं, that is what स्टेनर, isn't it? इससे सेपरेट करे टी लिप्स को. और जो हम लोग का डिज़ायरेबल सब्सटेंस है, जो टी है, ये कप में होल्ड हो रहा है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर यू कैन सी हियर, लाइक दालिया हो या फिर पोहा जो होता है, जैसे आप बीटन राइस का जो फ्राइड हम बनाते हैं, उसमें we used to mix vegetables, or we used to mix chilies, onions, isn't it? And chilies, because they are too hot, it has to be separated. तो उसको कैसे स्टेनर के हेल्प से सेपरेट करेंगे क्या? नहीं, by hand picking, isn't it? चिलीज़ जो होते हैं अनवांटेड चिलीज़ आपको नहीं खाना है, तो आप क्या करोगे? by the help of your finger, by the help of your hand, you will throw it out, pick it out, isn't it? So likewise here also you can see one more picture is given. Might be you know this, what is going here in this picture, what they want to tell. Then this is what, here it is a container, a pot where the curd has been stored, and in this curd, with the help of this stick and the thread, the malai or the butter that has कैन बी सेपरेटेड आउट. ये इसको जब ये हैंड के मदद से इसको घुमाते हैं, ये जो स्टिक होता है नीचे स्टार शेप का कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, इसको जब आप घुमाओगे तो क्या होता है कि जो दही है उसमें से क्या होगा, जो बटर है, चीज़ है, बटर है, वो बटर क्या होगा, सेपरेट होगा और ऊपर आ जाएगा, एंड दैट कैन बी सेपरेटेड आउट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट सेपरेशन ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस. अलग अलग तरीके से. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल हियर, दिस इज बुक, isn't it? So if I'll say some objects, many objects are there. Might be in your table you have your notebooks, books all together, but आप उसको क्या करते हो, सेपरेट करते हो. बुक्स को एक साइड रखते हो, नोटबुक्स को एक साइड करके रखते हो, isn't it? You keep your books aside and the others in the other corner, isn't it? Notebooks are in other side. So why? To make it easier to take notebooks and books of your own subject, isn't it? So इस तरह से क्या करते हैं, सेपरेशन करते हैं. तो बुक्स और नोटबुक्स को कैसे आप सेपरेट कर रहे हो? बाय योर हैंड, यूजिंग योर हैंड, isn't it? So in that way the separation can be done. So here one chart is given, you go through this. Now methods of separation. Here we'll discuss method of separation. Now what are the methods of separation you have to study in this chapter? Hand picking, tracing, hand picking, number 1, tracing, then winnowing, sieving, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, evaporation, and like condensation. One more topic you have to study, that is condensation. Okay, so these are the method of separation. सो फर्स्ट विल स्टार्ट विथ हैंड पिकिंग. हैंड पिकिंग इज़ वन. हैंड पिकिंग का मतलब क्या है, आप अपने हाथों से जो भी डिज़ायरेबल सब्सटेंस है या अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस हैं उसका मिक्सचर से उसको सेपरेट करना. टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, हियर वन पिक्चर इज गिवन. ओके, हियर ए पर्सन इज सिटिंग एंड लाइक द राइस. बिफोर कुकिंग द राइस, what we do, we just collect or throw the stones or unwanted substances like stones that are being thrown out, isn't it? So person, what he is doing, he is picking out the unwanted substances from the grains, isn't it, by using his hand. So that method is called as hand picking. So removing the unwanted substances with your hand to the pieces of stones or husk and other from the grains, na? That is called as hand picking. This method is called as hand picking. So here it is given. This method of hand picking can be used for separating slightly larger size impurity like the pieces of dirt, stones and husk from wheat, rice or pulses is called as hand picking. So hand picking का मतलब क्या है, जितने भी impurities हैं जो larger size के होते हैं उसको अपने हाथों के help से separate करना. From whom? From wheat, rice or pulses. That is called as hand picking. Now next is threshing. Threshing क्या है? Threshing कौन सा method है? Threshing is done to separate the grains from the stalk. Okay, जैसे कि take for example, here in this picture you can see a person is beating the whole stalk of the wheat, isn't it? जो wheat होता है उसका पूरा stalk जब wheat matured होता है, होने के बाद में उसको क्या करते हैं, हम कटिंग करते हैं, isn't it? That means harvesting करते हैं. Harvesting के बाद में इसको अच्छे से it has to be dried under the sun, isn't it? And then by taking a piece of stone, here that bundle of the stalk or wheat grains that is beaten in this hard stone so that the grains can be separated or take out from the husk. So from its husk or from the stalk the grains are being separated by beating. So this method of separating grains from its husk or stalk is called as what? Threshing. So here it is written, you must have seen bundle of wheat or paddy stalk lying in field after harvesting the crops. Stalk are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. Each stalk has many grains seed attached to it. Imagine the number of grain seed in hundreds of bundle of stalk lying in the field. How does the farmer separate grain seed from those bundles of stalk? Means many bundles are being made of after harvesting, isn't it? Paddy या फिर wheat जो भी grains हैं, तो उसको हम harvesting करके stalk को अच्छे से by making it bundles we store that, isn't it? So how they will separate? Is it possible that grains can be separated from its stalk by hand picking, by using hand? No, it is not possible, isn't it? So threshing, this method is important. So the process that is used to separate grain from stalk is threshing. Okay, so this process is called as threshing. So next we have to discuss about the winnowing, and winnowing we'll do in the next video. Thank you.